Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about EmptyView. So, EmptyView is something that you use to basically draw simply nothing. So, it's an empty space that you use to keep your documents hierarchy. If you have like a situation where you want to show something and based on certain conditions, for example, like the example that we have here, you can use EmptyView or Color.clear. You must have seen Color.clear or used it as well. But yeah, you can use EmptyView. So let me show you what the difference is. So here I have this state variable created that toggles show uh, by like creating true and false, and then we have inside the body we have vstack and hstack that has spacing of 20 points. Now we are saying if show is true, show text I am here. Otherwise, like just do not show anything. So we are using color.clear. I'm actually adding a border so I can show you that space is still occupied. Like that space is still occupied. So color is there. Even though you don't show it, color.clear is still a view. It's drawn on the on your view hierarchy. Um, and then you have this really long text, right? So if I toggle, you can notice that space is filled by a view, right? Otherwise, that space is filled by this color.clear. Now, if this was the situation, I would actually recommend you using EmptyView, because EmptyView does not take any space in your view hierarchy. So it basically is there, but it's not there. Kind of that situation. Okay, so as you can see, I have created an empty view. I have a border, still have a border, and I can actually create frame and show you that it's actually really not there. So I've created frame of 100 by 100, and it's not there. So it doesn't matter, frame does not matter to empty view, because it's empty. It's basically just there to keep the hierarchy. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you use empty view, where you want to show you want to keep the hierarchy, but you don't want element to be in the hierarchy, taking the space in the hierarchy in the view hierarchy. Then you can actually use your empty view. Okay, so this is it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed the little demonstration of empty view. So yeah, so that was it for this video, and I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.